Hello children, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the last class we discussed class 7th chapter 4 simple equation exercise 4.1, the first problem we discussed in the last class. So in this video we will check the second question, what he has given in the second question. See, check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Here he has given the value in the brackets. We need to check, we need to substitute these values in the equation and we need to get the RHS. If we get the correct RHS, then the value given are correct, otherwise they are wrong. Okay, I will consider the first problem what he has given. See, now I will consider the first problem, that is A, n plus 5 is equals to 19. The n value what he has given, that is n is equals to 1. So consider this is our LHS. Consider LHS, that is n plus 5. That implies what we have to substitute, n value as 1. We need to substitute it as 1. So I will substitute here 1 plus 5. What it comes? 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. This is LHS. What is our RHS? Our RHS is 19. Therefore, LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS. If LHS is not equals to RHS, then this given value is not satisfied the equation. Therefore, n is equals to 1 is not satisfied the equation. Now check the second question. What he has given in the second question, that is B, 7n plus 5 is equals to 19 when n is equals to minus 2 he has given in the bracket. Okay, now we need to substitute n is equal to minus 2 in this equation. So I will consider the LHS. LHS is equals to 7n plus 5. Consider LHS, that LHS is equal to 7n plus 5. That implies when I substitute minus 2, 7 minus 2 plus 5, that equals to, what we need to do? We need to multiply this plus 7 minus 2. Plus into minus, 7 2s are 14. Okay, then plus 5. 1 plus 1 minus. What we need to do? 1 plus 1 minus means we need to subtract. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Which 9? Which sign is greater? The minus sign is greater. So we need to put here minus. Okay. So is it equals to RHS? This one is our LHS. Is it equals to RHS? No. Therefore what we have to write? LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore what we have to write? Therefore n is equals to minus 2 is not a solution of equation. Is not a solution of equation. Is not a solution of given equation. Right? Okay. Now third problem what he has given. That is C, 7n plus 5 is equals to 19. 7n plus 5 is equals to 19. So n value what he has given? N equals to 2. We need to substitute. Solution, consider LHS. consider LHS, that is 7n plus 5. That is our LHS. Now substitute, that implies what it happened, 7 into bracket n value what he has given, n value he has given as 2 plus 5. What it becomes, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5. What it is? So 14 plus 5 is 19, which equals to RHS. Which is equals to RHS. We consider the LHS and we get the RHS. We get the RHS. Therefore, n equals to 2 is a solution of given equation. Is a solution of given equation. Right? Okay. Next problem, D. 4p minus 3 is equals to 13. 4p minus 3 is equals to 13. What the p value he has given? We need to check p equals to 1 is the solution of a given equation or not. Then solution. So we need to substitute p is equals to 1 in the LHS. So consider LHS. Consider LHS, that LHS is equals to that is 4p minus 3 4p minus 3. That implies what? We need to substitute p value as a 1. 4 into 1 minus 3. I have replaced this p by 1, that is 4 into 1 minus 3. 4 ones are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Is it equals to RHS? It not equals to RHS. It not equals to RHS. What it happens? LHS is not equals to RHS. Then what we have to say? P equals to 1 is not a solution of given equation. P equals to 1 is not a solution of given equation. Right? Okay. Now D question is over. Now next question, E. 4p minus 3 is equals to 13. 4p minus 3 is equals to 13. The p value we need to check. P equals to minus 4 is a solution of the given equation or not. So what we have to do? Solution, that is consider LHS. What is our LHS? 4p minus 3. So what we have to substitute? P is equal to minus 4 we need to substitute. 4 into bracket minus 4 minus 3. So first we need to multiply these two, that is plus 4 into minus 4. What it happens? Plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 3. So minus 16 minus 3. So what it becomes? Minus 19. Is it our RHS? No. That means is not equals to our RHS. Then what we have to say? LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, P equals to minus 4 is not a solution of given equation. Is it right? Okay. Then the last problem of this bit, that is 4p minus 3 equals to 13 when p equals to 0. Check it. 1 p equals to 0 he has given. So solution, consider LHS. What is our LHS? 4p minus 3. That is 4p minus 3. We need to substitute p value as a 0. That is 4 of 0 minus 3. So what it becomes? 4 into 0 is 0 minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 only. Is it equals to your RHS? Is it equals to your RHS? No, it not equals to RHS. It not equals to RHS. Then what we have to say? LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, P equals to 0 is not a solution of given equation, right? Okay, next bit we will see in the next video.